Hi artists! Welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be drawing a back to school apple with a number 2 pencil. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm using a Sharpie. All I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a curved line. Stop right here. And then we're just going to draw for the other side a little curved line here. And then let's go back up top and we're going to draw a curved line, but we're going to stop right here because this is where the pencil is going to overlap the apple. So let's go ahead and draw a curved line and stop right here. Okay, now before we draw the pencil, we're just going to go up here and draw a curved line for our stem. Draw a line right here. And let's go back down. And now we need to draw a leaf for our apple. Let's draw a curved line here, followed by another curved line to make up our leaf. And now we're going to go inside and draw the veins. So a curved line here, and then a couple more curved lines, and then we're going to also add some here. Okay, for our apple, let's draw a little groove here. We're going to go in and add the eyes. Pretty simple, just a curved line here with a little lash coming out. Go to the other side, draw a curved line with a little lash coming out. And I'm going to draw the mouth here. Let's draw a quick line, followed by a curved line. And then we're actually going to fill in everything. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw our pencil. So we're just going to draw a line right over here. So I'm first going to draw a straight line here, and that's going to help me draw the rest of my pencil. So add a straight line here, and then let's go back down and add a straight line here, and let's draw a line here and a line at the top, and let's draw, depending on how thick you want your pencil, we're just going to go right in, and sometimes it helps to break up a long line into shorter ones to help you get it straight if you don't want to use a ruler. Now I'm going to go and add a triangle up top and a little line right here and fill it in. So there's our pencil, and then we just need a little eraser. Let's go in and draw a curved line. There we go. Okay, and that's about it. Let's come back and see what the colored version looks like. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video and I did show you how to draw an apple with a pencil for back to school, please go ahead and like the video and share with someone that you care about, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!